In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to chat with friends on Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. Navigate to the option settings. Under this, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option privacy and content restrictions. Now click on the option communication. Now navigate to the option party. Here you're going to find two options, party and group party. For both of these options, set it to on. Now I can head back to the main page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the option of party. Click on that. Now click on the plus icon given at the top right. Now select your friend from the list you want to chat with. Check in for the friends. Now, a group will be created. Here you're going to find the message box. Type in your message and send it. This way you are able to chat with friends on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.